Score like a pro. Understanding TOEFL and IELTS listening criteria. Hello, dedicated learners. Today, we dive deep into the scoring criteria for TOEFL and IELTS listening. Mastering these criteria can significantly boost your listening scores, so let's get started. The TOEFL listening section measures your ability to understand English as it is spoken in North America. Here's a breakdown of its scoring. 1. Task effectiveness. This measures your understanding of main ideas, important details, and the relationship between ideas in the lecture or conversation. 2. Sustained listening. This checks your ability to maintain focus throughout lengthy audio tracks and pull out essential details. 3. Understanding speaker's purpose and attitude. You'll often get questions about why the speaker said something or what the speaker's attitude is. Points to remember. The raw score, number of correct answers, is converted to a scaled score of 0 to 30. It's a good strategy to take notes during the audio clips. IELTS listening tests your ability to understand English in a variety of accents: British, Australian, Canadian, and sometimes American. Here's how scoring works. 1. Answers. Simply put, every correct answer equals 1 point. There are 40 questions in total. 2. Conversion to band scores. Your raw score, total correct answers, will be converted into the IELTS 9 band scale. For instance, a raw score of 30 to 31 might be a band score of 7. 3. Spelling and grammar. Your answers must be spelled correctly, and when a specific grammar form is required, it must be accurate. Important points. The test includes different types of questions such as multiple choice, matching, and short answer questions. Again, note-taking can be beneficial, but remember that the audio is played only once. Though both tests gauge your English listening skills, they do so with different focuses. 1. Accent variations. While TOEFL focuses on North American accents, IELTS exposes you to a variety of English accents. 2. Scoring scale. TOEFL uses a scaled score of 0 to 30 for its listening section. In contrast, IELTS gives you a raw score out of 40 that translates into the 9-band scale. 3. Type of questions. TOEFL tends to focus more on academic settings, whereas IELTS includes both academic and everyday life situations. Golden tip. Familiarize yourself with the format and question types of the specific test you're taking. Doing so will not only help you understand what's expected but also boost your confidence on test day. There you have it, a comprehensive look at the scoring criteria for TOEFL and IELTS listening. With a clearer understanding of what's expected, you're now better equipped to ace the listening sections. Happy studying, and remember, practice makes perfect.